Today on Tip Tuesday, we're going to be discussing what $1.25 will get you. Don't knock it. It's 5 quarters. Seriously. All right. Hi, I'm Lorraine Brock. I'm a professional organizer and owner of a company called Get Organized here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, where my team and I help you get your home top to bottom organized, including packing and unpacking services. So on today's topic about what will $1.25 buy you, particularly at the dollar store. I've got 2 great products today that I've hand-picked. I went shopping last week on a mission to see what I could find for $1.25 to organize a space. And with a little extra help, maybe some super glue or some hot glue, these products may be really great for you. All right, so let me show you the first product here. There is 2 sizes to this product here. These are actually drawer inserts. There's no rubber on the bottom that keeps them from sliding. So you could use something like a little tacky or something to keep it down. But I do like these. First of all, one thing I noticed about these particular products, and I believe they had 3 different sizes, I only picked up 2, is that these are a much heavy-duty, thicker plastic than a lot of their other products that they sell in their store that are very flimsy. Very, very thick compared to that. The other thing that I really liked, and probably the most important thing, is right here there is some grooves on each of these, and what they do is they expand. This part will actually come completely out if you want, but you can expand this to a size that will fit the width of your drawer. You can do them long ways or crossways on the drawer. Both of them do the same thing, and you can hear it sort of interlocking. You can hear it, like they'll stick and they'll stay there. This is a really good find for $1.25 each. All right, the next product. This product is more flimsier. It's more along the lines of what you would get at a dollar store. But there's a little trick that you can do when you're using something like this that will help keep it standing up. Now, this is something that you would probably use underneath the kitchen sink, underneath the bathroom sink, potentially in a garage too, where you can reach in and get something that you want. These fit together a very particular way, so you want to watch that they actually snap into a hole. The problem is that I didn't know that with some heavier things, if you hit it the wrong way, this is just going to come off. I mean, it holds in there just a little bit. But if you will take some hot glue or some super glue, hot glue would probably work faster, and put down in these little niches on each side here, then press the next stage. You could do like these 3 high, that would be pretty easy. You can actually reach in here and get items. Pantry would be great for this. I don't remember if this came in additional colors, but it's worth checking out. And for $1.25 each with a little super glue or hot glue, you can make these work in some great areas to help you get better organized. Well, that is our Tip Tuesday, helping you get your home, business, and life completely organized.